Hi, friends, and happy Monday! Welcome to the last full week of school. That is so exciting. So, next week we'll only have Monday through Wednesday, and you guys are going to pick from your choice board. So, this will be our last full week of instruction. All right, so today we are just going to review our vocabulary words. So, I want you to go ahead and get out your vocabulary words, and I want you to go ahead and cut those out so we can go ahead and go over those, okay? All right, I have my words cut out, and we're going to go over each one, and I'm going to tell you the definition, okay? All right, and so you guys may remember these words from our last story, but I feel like I didn't focus on these enough, so I'm just going to go back and we're going to review these. And then tomorrow we are going to play a matching game, all right? Okay, so a bank is a place where money is safely stored. So if I go to the bank, that means I'm either getting money out or putting money in. The next word is earn. When you earn money, that's when you get money for a chore or a job. So I am earning money when I teach you all every day. So I earn money from my job. When you buy something, that's when you exchange money for an item. So if you go to the store and you want a toy, you have to buy that toy, right? So you have to give them money in order to get that toy. The next word is home. A home is where you live. So you are at home right now. A chore. A chore is a small job that is done on a regular basis. And on a regular basis means that you do it either every day or you do it every week. So that's something you do often. So an example of a chore would be putting up your clothes after they are clean or taking out the trash. The next word is job. A job is where your parents go to earn money. So for an example, my job is to be a teacher for you all. And I love it. It's my favorite job, and I can't think of anything else that I would rather be doing. The next word is cost. Cost is how much an item is. So when we played going to the grocery store, each item cost a certain amount. So for example, a candy bar costs $1. And our last one is money. Money is what you use to pay for goods or services. So you have to have money to buy something at the store. You cannot just go and take it because that's stealing. You have to have money to pay for things. And to earn money, you have to have a job. All right, friends, those are our words for today. You can review those again. And then for writing today, I want you all to, for level 1, you can just work on stamping or dotting. For level 2, you can trace these words. And then for level 3, you can free write these words. And if you even want to challenge yourself, you can put these words in a sentence, okay? All right, friends, that's all for today. And tomorrow we are going to play our matching game with these words. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And if you're a Star Wars fan like me, happy May 4th. See you tomorrow. Bye.